In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom remote, one screen for all your controls. Switching between multiple remotes in the app is slow and confusing. With custom remote, you can combine only the buttons you actually use from different devices into one simple screen. Control your TV, AC, soundbar, and more, all from a single interface. No clutter, no switching, just fast, easy control, especially helpful for anyone who prefers simplicity. Now, I'll show you how to create a custom remote that brings all your controls into one screen. Start by opening your home automation app. Tap on remotes from the bottom menu, then select custom remote. Now choose the appliance remote you want to use. Select only the buttons you actually need. Once you've added all the required keys, tap Save. That's it. One screen, total control. No more switching between remotes. Thank you.